How to fix no volume on Discord. I am going to show you how you fix no volume on Discord. First step, check if you have muted or deafened yourself on another user. You will be able to check if this by setting if the mic or headset icon has a slash across it or not. Additionally, it is possible that you may have been server muted or deafened by an admin or server owner. In these cases, you will need to reach out to the server owner or admins to remove the server mute or deafen. If this issue only occurs in the specific channel or server, you may need to reach out to the server owner or admins. Make sure you have the correct role or channel permissions and enable the following voice permissions: connect, speak, and video. If you are not able to hear a specific user in the server or direct call, it is possible that you may have changed the volume settings for an individual user. On desktop or browser, right-click the user's icon and then change the user volume using the volume slider in the menu. On mobile, in a voice channel or voice call, you can tap on the member's icon in the top right and select the user. Then you will be able to change the volume settings directly by adjusting the volume slider. If you are using a headset or the like, make sure your USB or input jack is securely connected to your computer. Check your app permissions for Discord and make sure you have a microphone and camera enabled permissions for Discord. Check that your sound or audio or webcam or other drivers and software are fully up to date. Check your input mode. Make sure you are not accidentally on push to talk mode. Make sure to check and switch your input or output device in the voice settings section to the specific device you are used in voice settings. Check your volume settings for your input and output mode. Try resetting your voice and audio settings by pressing Reset Voice Settings when you scroll down.